Hi everybody, it's Swails here, and it is Friday, November 15th. Feeling a little bit sluggish today. It's been a long week for me. So, I got a little helping hand here to get me through this briefing, and that old Mountain Dew tasting pretty good this morning. Got the diet, of course. Don't want to get those extra calories. Lots of things going on weather-wise that will impact the upcoming weekend, so let's dig in here and we'll show you what's happening. First of all, on this high-resolution satellite imagery, you can see some clouds down to the south of us beginning to gather and some more out to the west. That's a storm that's going to come across the Midwest this weekend. It's going to be a wind maker. It will also generate some warm temperatures, but unfortunately, there is going to be some rain around from time to time. Currently, the radar not showing a lot of that. A few showers down to the south and east of us, but really the storm is well to the west of us. The energy has not even come out of the Rockies yet, so the rain probably not going to get underway until very late tonight or during the day tomorrow, more likely Saturday morning. So let's get to the rainfall totals here, and here's what we have off the European, and you can see the storm doesn't really get its act together until it gets up into eastern Iowa, and then the moisture really gets plugged into it. So from eastern Iowa on to the east and north is where the heavier totals are anticipated to be, and there could very well be some spots with over an inch of rain, particularly north of Interstate 80 from the looks of things now. And I'm showing you the European model. It seems to have the best handle on the storm, has most of the way here, and this is a little tighter view of it. And again, you can see there over eastern Iowa and up into the northeastern part of the state, southwestern Wisconsin, some locations easily picking up over an inch of rain. And there should be enough instability that even some scattered thunderstorms will be a possibility. That's something we'll be watching here as we go through the next 24 hours. One thing this storm does not have is a lot of cold air. Therefore, even in the upper Midwest, snow is not expected to be much of a factor. Maybe a little bit of light snow on the tail end of the system as it rolls across northern Minnesota and Wisconsin. But even up there, the European not depicting much in the way of accumulations. South winds have been blowing around the Midwest, and that's really doing a number on the temperatures. Readings have been warming nicely today and will continue to do so through the weekend. Even on Saturday, with lots of clouds around here, I think there's an excellent chance temperatures will get pretty close to 60 degrees, and that's even including some rain that will fall as well. But that's the temperature anomaly you're looking at on Sunday, and you can see the readings all across the Midwest are well above normal, especially when you get into eastern Iowa and Illinois, Wisconsin, and down into Missouri, where on Sunday afternoon, there is even the possibility of some 70-degree temperatures. Now here in the Quad Cities, we're looking at about 65 on the European for the max, and I think that's probably going to occur by early afternoon. Then the front hits, and the winds are really going to pick up, and some of that colder air to the northwest will arrive around here. But at least Saturday and the first half of Sunday, look for nice, mild temperatures. And this is going to be a wind-making storm, no question about that. As the low pressure moves northeast, it's really going to bomb out, and the pressure gradient tightens up. And here's the wind forecast for Sunday afternoon. Now, what you're looking at here is in knots, so you have to add a little bit of extra when you convert that over to miles per hour. I could easily see some gusts of 40 miles per hour, and that'll be out of the northwest on the backside of the storm. And ahead of it, with south winds, some of those could be pretty gusty too over the weekend, up around 30 miles per hour. So plan on holding on to your hat if you're going to be out and about during the upcoming weekend. So there you have it, your Friday weather briefing. Hope you have yourself a terrific weekend, and once again, roll weather.